A lot of people are talking about play to earn crypto games, but most of them either cost money to start, are very risky, or never really pay. So in this video I'll show you 8 free ways you can actually earn crypto just by playing games. No investment and no experience needed. In case you don't know, my name is Mikael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and today we are diving into the play to earn world, but not the usual NFT projects or token hype. I'll show you my top 8 free options where you can play simple and even popular famous games and get paid directly in crypto. And before we jump in, I'll also explain the difference between GPT gaming sites and traditional play to earn crypto games, and why one of them is a much smarter way to earn in my opinion. So before I show you my top 8 free ways to play games and earn crypto, let's first clear up something important, because not all play to earn options are the same. On one side you have GPT or get paid to sites where you can play simple games or complete small tasks and get paid directly in crypto. These are completely free to use, there's no risk, and you usually get access to a wide variety of mini games all in one place. And that's what I will focus on in this video, because it's the easiest and safest way to get started. On the other side, you have standalone crypto games, for example, big names like Axie Infinity or The Sandbox, and these are full-on gaming ecosystems where you can own NFTs, trade in-game assets, or earn tokens by playing. Some of these have existed for years and can definitely be interesting, but many of them also require an upfront investment to even start, like for example buying NFTs or staking tokens. And even the ones that say they are free to play often come with a hidden cost, such as for example high gas fees, complex wallet setups, or tokens that are hard to cash out. That's why, unless you already know what you're doing, then GPT sites are a much better starting point in my opinion. They are beginner friendly, they actually pay in popular cryptos like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or USDT or Ethereum, and you can try dozens of games without risking any money. Just be aware that it's not a magical way to become rich or anything like that. It is for some extra money on the side, and if you like playing games, then why not earn a bit extra at the same time? And on all these platforms you can then get paid in crypto. So let me now show these 8 options. It's not a sort of prioritized list, because which of the options that are the best really depends on your personal preferences, but you can just join as many or as few as you want to. So the first get paid to site that has plenty of games you can play and then get paid in, for example crypto, is Gemsloot. It's available in all countries, and what I really like is that you only need to earn around 50 cents to actually get paid. It has many different games, and the cryptos you can get paid in is for example Solana, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. You would just need to play the different games, and once you've earned enough you can come here and choose your method, choose any wallet you want to, and get paid into that. If we are talking about a free way to earn crypto, for example by playing games, we also have to talk about Free Cash. It's available in all countries more or less, but it's mainly worth joining if you live in a tier 1 country, and you can find some quite high paying games here. Also it offers surveys, and it has many different payout options depending on the country you live in also, and for example crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and also now right now here on the screen it doesn't show it, but it actually also does offer Solana now in some countries, and you only need to earn 50 cents to get paid, and usually when you redeem you will get paid within a few seconds, at least within a few minutes, once your account has actually been approved. Another great play to earn app and website is Pawns, and Pawns actually also offers you a passive way to earn, so you can install it on your computer, on your phone, just let it run in the background while you are actually playing any game you want, because as long as you're online you will earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It's not something that will earn you a lot, but it's passive and easy, so it can just run in the background, and then a little extra is also nice. You can do this from all countries. It also then offers games, the best games, the most opportunities you can find through the app, so you would need to use it on the phone. The other options, for example the paid surveys and the passive income opportunity, you can also do on your computer. You just need to earn $5 and then you can get paid. For example in Bitcoin, that's the crypto it currently offers. It also offers PayPal and many different gift cards if you prefer that. If you're looking for a get paid to site that pays in crypto, then Coinsupply is a great option in my opinion, because it was one of the pioneers. It was one of the first one that started to actually pay out in Bitcoin, and In addition to finding different gaming offers here, you can also find paid surveys. You can earn by clicking ads, watching videos, doing all kind of other small tasks here. You need to earn around $3.50 to get paid. It pays out in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash and Doge, and you can get paid into any wallet you want to. Reward XP is another way to find gaming offers and get paid in crypto. You can join from all countries. It has decent paying gaming offers, and it then pays out in USDT into your Coinbase wallet. So if you want to get paid that way, this is an opportunity like that. It also has crypto vouchers, but those ones, they charge quite high fees. So the other option is definitely better. If you don't want to get paid into Coinbase, then you would have to use one of the other options here on this list here instead. The next option is called Grass, and this is not as such a way to actually earn by playing, but while playing, because this also offers a passive way to earn. So you just install it on your device, let it run in the background, then you will earn in the background just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. You will earn the Grass token. Just be aware that you don't know exactly when you can actually get paid, because you will accumulate points that at some point when they will let you know, they will do an airdrop where your points will be converted into these Grass token. It's a token on the Solana chain. They have paid out before, so it actually does pay, but we don't know when the next one will be, so just keep that in mind. But because you don't really need to do anything, it can be something worth considering, because it can just run in the background while you're actually playing games, and then you can earn some crypto that at some point will be paid out to you. Just don't really know when that will be. And keep in mind that there are a lot of fake Grass airdrops, so there's a lot of fake profiles on X and other platforms that claim that, oh, come here and claim and connect your wallet. No, only trust the statements or the announcement on the official Grass social media and website, because there are scammers everywhere, and I've seen a lot of specific Grass airdrop scams, so keep that in mind and be careful of that. We now only have a couple of more options, and it would be great if you just take 1 second to like this video. And if you're not yet a subscriber also, that can be a free way to support this channel and help me continue creating content like this and taking the time to reply to all the comments, which I do whenever you leave a comment below. So please take 1 second to do that. I would definitely appreciate that support. Almost at the end here, we have Price Rebel, a get paid to site. You can join from all countries where you can find plenty of gaming offers. On offer walls, you can also find quite a lot of paid service here, and it has different membership levels. So the more active you are, the more benefits you will get. When you earn $5, you can get paid. It offers PayPal Cash and also a lot of other gift cards, and it also offers crypto. You will get paid via BitPay, so you will set that up once, and then you'll get paid into the crypto wallet you choose. It has quite a few different cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and quite a few others you can choose from. Last but not least, we have EarnLab, get paid to site. You can join from all countries. It also offers many different gaming offers and paid offers in general, and also paid service. It has some different free contests you can participate in also. And one thing I really like about it when it comes to getting paid in crypto is that it offers many different crypto rewards. Some of them are not available as a reward on many get paid to site, and then it also has some of the most popular ones as reward, and it pays out quite quickly once you redeem. So as you can see, there are quite a few real ways to earn crypto just by playing games completely for free and with no risk. And if you're interested in any of these options, then I have full reviews and tutorial of each of them. I'll leave links to that below, so you can go to my website and find that at the top of each of these. There's also a joining link, so you can click there, be taken to the side. Some of them will also offer you a special joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. At the same time, that will support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So make sure to check that out, because personally, I do recommend starting with get paid to sites like this if you are new to earning online, and if you are new to play to earn crypto games, because they are easy to use, they don't require any investment, and you can test different games in one place to see what you enjoy the most. You just need to do it with the right expectations. It's of course not a way to become rich or anything like that. Of course, if you do get paid in crypto and get paid in the right crypto, that will increase a lot over time, then what you earn now can potentially become worth a lot more in the future. But of course, that's a decision you need to make, what crypto you believe in, and if you want to hold on to it. I'm not a financial advisor, so that's a choice you need to make. But if you want to use any of these platforms, I'll leave links to all these reviews below, so you can go there, find the joining links, sign up. You can also find all the details. I also have payment proof in these videos here, so you can see for yourself that they actually do pay, and I've used all of them and been paid by all of them. So check that out below. And also, if you have any questions, just ask below. I will reply to all comments there. And finally, if the video helped you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.